Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class, you know that we have discussed the five kingdom system of classification, and we have seen that this five system of classification includes the phylum, this kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia, and kingdom Plantae. So far, in two kingdom system of classification, we have seen the general characters of kingdom Animalia and kingdom Plantae. And now in this five kingdom system of classification, today we will throw light upon the general characters of this kingdom Monera. Then we will discuss the general characters of kingdom Protista and kingdom Fungi accordingly, and we have to discuss and throw the light upon the detailed study of these three kingdoms which are included in this five kingdom system of classification, like kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, and kingdom Fungi. So first of all, we will take the kingdom Monera and we will try to understand the general characters of this kingdom Monera, and we will see whatever the organisms are included in this kingdom, what type of characters they possess. And today our topic is this kingdom Monera, and in this kingdom Monera we will discuss the general characters of this kingdom. Now, taking this kingdom Monera under consideration, this is also called the prokaryotes. That is, the prokaryotes are included in this kingdom Monera, and this kingdom includes all prokaryotes. What type of prokaryotes are there? All are included in this kingdom Monera, like mycoplasmas, like bacteria, and blue-green algae, which are also called cyanobacteria. So these are all included in this kingdom Monera, that is bacteria, blue-green algae, and mycoplasmas. And we will see the general characters of this kingdom Monera. So first general character of this kingdom is that all the representatives, all the organisms which are included in this kingdom Monera, they are microscopic. They are microscopic means they cannot be seen with the help of a naked eye, but they can be only seen under a microscope. And they are unicellular. That means they are made up of only one cell. मोटाइल और नॉन मोटाइल यानी कि मूवमेंट के बारे में यहाँ पर बताया गया है कि ये इसमें ऐसे भी जिस ऑर्गेनिज्म्स हैं जो मोटाइल भी हैं और नॉन मोटाइल भी हैं. These prokaryotic organisms of moist environment, and these all prokaryotic organisms, as they are microscopic, they are unicellular, they are motile or non-motile, and they are found in all moist environment. That is, they are found in the moist environment. मतलब सृहुल ज़मीन आसे वहाँ पर ये पाए जाते हैं. Now the second character of this kingdom is they have a circular double-stranded helical DNA. Regarding the genetic material in में होता है circular double-stranded helical DNA without nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is genetic material के बाहर नहीं होती है, तो they are not enclosed in a nuclear envelope, and chromosomes are also absent in this genetic material DNA. It lies as a coiled mass. ये एक किस्म का coiled mass होता है जिसको बोलते हैं nucleoid. So this genetic material DNA, it lies as a coiled mass called nucleoid in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm में होता है coiled mass, एक किस्म का कॉइल्ड मास होता है जिसको बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियोइड. इट इज फाउंड इन द साइटोप्लाज्म एंड it is called prochromosome, as it lies as a coiled mass in the cytoplasm and is called a nucleoid. uh, so it is also called prochromosome. Now the ribosomes, third character is ribosomes and simple chromatophores are the only subcellular organelles in the cytoplasm. cytoplasm में जितने भी ये माइटोटिक अपैरेटस होते हैं, जैसे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है, गोल्जी अपैरेटस है, ये those all are absent in this kingdom Monera, but only ribosomes and simple chromatophores are present. 70s ribosomes, you should remember here, 70s ribosomes are present and simple chromatophores as subcellular organelles in the cytoplasm. Now regarding the cell wall, fourth character, cell wall is generally present without cellulose. Cell wall is present but without cellulose. It has polymers of amino acids and amino sugars, which are called the peptidoglycans. So cell wall is present without cellulose and has polymers of amino acids and amino sugars, which are called peptidoglycans. Regarding the cell membrane has respiratory enzymes. Now, the fifth character of this kingdom is flagella. Flagella, if flagella is present in the organisms of this kingdom, Monera, those are composed of a protein. Those flagella are composed of a protein which is called the flagellin. Flagellin, flagellin. Now the sixth character is the nutrition. Nutrition of this kingdom Monera, whatever types of the organisms are included in this kingdom Monera, those have the nutrition which varies. That means not only one type of nutrition is found in these this representatives of this kingdom, but the nutrition varies. That means there are different types of nutrition found in this kingdom Monera. Like we can take the example of bacteria. As bacteria are included in this kingdom, those bacteria have the autotrophic nutrition, those can have the saprotrophic nutrition, those can be parasitic, or those can have the symbiotic relationship or symbiotic. Blue green algae jo hai, those are the photosynthetic. So the nutrition varies here in this kingdom Monera. The nutrition can be autotrophic, it can be saprotrophic, it can be parasitic, or it can be symbiotic. So blue-green algae, which are also included in this kingdom, those have the photosynthetic type of nutrition. Now regarding the reproduction is usually asexual. Reproduction jo hai, that is usually asexual, and thus that asexual type of reproduction occurs by binary fission or budding. These are the types of this asexual reproduction: binary fission or budding. Now the exchange of genetic material, that is the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is found in some representatives of this kingdom. That is called that exchange of material, genetic material, that is called the conjugation. Conjugation is found in most of the bacteria, but no gametes are formed. Now regarding the eighth general character of this kingdom, the organisms of this kingdom occur in all environments. जितने भी organisms इस kingdom में include किए गए हैं, those are found in all environments. हर किस्म के माहौल में वो पाए जाते हैं. So these were the this 8 main characteristic features or the general characters of this kingdom Monera. And with this we have concluded this today's lecture, and in our next lecture we will discuss, or we will try to understand the general characters of kingdom Protista, then general characters of kingdom Fungi. That will be dealt in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah. So today we have concluded this, and I hope that you will be now aware about these about the general characters of this kingdom Monera. And you should remember here that whatever the organisms are included in this kingdom Monera, that is the bacteria, bilirubin, algae, or mycoplasma, all possess these general characters. And mm, besides this, we have to make the detailed study on these three types of this kingdoms, like kingdom, this Monera, Protista, and fungi, and that we will deal in our next lectures. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.